Good morning, everyone. It's been a while again. It is 8 o'clock in the morning here in Germany, and let's get into this straight. Starting off with the dollar today. So we had a big move, we had a rejection in this zone here. Mentioned that we gonna have a pullback, and now we're just moving sideways here. We do have here negative crosses here. So I still believe the dollar can push down lower here at this point, and this might be good for the crypto market in case everyone is watching the correlation between the dollar and the crypto and stocks, but most of my time I only watch the dollar here. So basically, still think we might get a rejection soon here at this point. 200 MA is the white line here. We bounced, came up, went down, trying to get above again on my 2-day chart here. And I still think this looks like a rejection soon here and might come down here at this point, okay? Um, Crypto total market cap here on the weekly. This is the idea pattern I had in my mind a few weeks, months, I don't know, ago, and I just painted this here. And at the moment, yeah, we're still like looks like on track, okay, that we have like kind of one, two, three, four, and maybe a fifth wave up here, and then maybe then finally get rejection at this point, and then uh, might come down here again. Um, the time frame is not exactly, but this pattern played out in the past, and history doesn't always repeat. But it's just some kind of idea here. Okay, we had the big correction down here, sideways move, breakout here, breakout here finally. So my belief is still there's a big chance that we move up higher here and do another wave up here, the fifth wave, that might be really strong at this point, okay? This is just an idea where we could head to in the total market cap here at this point. At the moment, sitting alright, everything's still for me okay. Hopefully we don't lose this area too much here. We might come down a bit lower here, but hopefully we just start bouncing at this point here, okay? My 2-day chart on Bitcoin here. This is my favorite chart at the moment. Playing quite nice. As you can see, the buy sell signal is quite good and accurate at this point here where the market is moving at the moment. This is basically a chart for me, seeing, okay, maybe we have a trend reversal now, and I just buy a bit and just hold it for a while, okay? And this can be like weeks, okay? These are all 2-day chart, 2-day candles at this point, and this can, you hold it, I don't know, for a week, for a month, depending how the signal comes here. And as I mentioned, um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 question mark at this point. Okay, I don't know how high this can go. It can go up here, or we might just do like a double top here and start correcting down here. Okay, my hot signal is still there, is, in my opinion, still slightly. I would say almost 40% chance that we might do even a head and shoulders pattern here can also be, and then start breaking down at this point, okay? So just keep that in mind. Where is it? That we might have maybe something like this, yeah, and then start breaking down at this point, okay? This can be a heavy fall, and I still, would love to see a 12K Bitcoin here, before moving up here. But at the moment, it just looks still healthy at this point. Okay, we still have this kind support area here. So let's see if we're going to retest this zone here. I posted a tweet a while ago. I said if we start losing the 26K zone here, we might fall down in the 24, 22 K zone here, and that's the main area where I'm gonna really watch. Are we starting to bounce, or are we gonna lose this area here? Okay, so this is just some kind of idea here at this point. Sell signal at this point, beautiful. Again, everything went well here. So if you bought in here on that signal and just hold it for a while, and then after the sell signal, you just take your profit at this point. Okay, if you just take this small amount, this is a 25, 27% profit just by holding Bitcoin for a while. Okay. Mention here lose 27K again here. So at the moment, yeah, let's see if this zone is gonna hold, or maybe if we're lucky, we're just gonna flick down a bit, retest this zone here, and then start moving up here, and then hopefully we just gonna start break through this and come to this zone, and this might be the fifth wave, which I mentioned here, that we might come up here somewhere on the total market cap here. Okay. One day chart here. Again, even here, the signal were quite good here at this point. We had this kind of channel here. So worked out fine at the moment. At this point, to see some resistance here at this point. For now, it's just a bit worrying here at this point because this looks like we lost this zone here a bit, and it looks like we're falling off. This can be a bear trap at this point. I'm just mentioning this here because we are on the green wave here. So this could easily start flicking up here again and start moving up, okay, and come to 36K zone here, okay. So still similar pattern, you know, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth here. So might come down a bit more than a bear trap maybe, and start moving up again here at this point, and then we start making correction down and come back to the 24K here. This is just an idea I have what can happen. Okay, let's see this on the 6 day. The 6 day is a bit mess here at this point. um, let's pull this up higher. There are more different signals which I'm having here, and as you can see, Fibonacci had this painted in here. So maybe we're gonna come down here, 25th, 25 600 area here. Maybe retest this. Worst case is we're just gonna come down here, lower here. So hopefully this is just gonna be a bear trap at this point here. Okay. Um, Ethereum, yeah, similar thing. It's just holding on the green wave here at this point here. So hopefully we just start moving up here. I would love to see this higher here. I would love to see this again around 2,400 here. And hopefully this is just a good healthy correction down here, like a ABC, and then start moving up from here. Okay, so it is um, there's a sell trend up here. So hopefully we just slightly hold this area and start moving up here, and I get a buy signal again here at this point. We had a sell signal here at this point, so that was the moment you get out, and then you just wait until the next buy signal comes up here at this point. So otherwise, yeah, that was also a good move here. Buy signal was here. You go all the way up 30% profit at this point just by holding this, or do a, I don't know, 1.5x on this trade here. Holding up the 4 hour at this point here. second. Here we go. So similar thing, we lost that area here. We lost against the Ichimoto cloud here, against the 200 MA here at this point. So we could come down and maybe find support at this zone here. Maybe worst case, there's also worst case that we've come all the way down to this 1,600 area here, and then hopefully there's some bear trap here, and then we start moving up again from this point. Okay, next is Atom. So Atom, I play this on the 4 hour here, also just by buying, holding at this point. And at the moment we have a weekly low here, discount, and so I'm just waiting for some kind of signal that this is really a proper bounce here. But I bought like 20% of this here, and just waiting for confirmation now. Are we start moving, crossing the $10 700 here at this point? What I can imagine is that we come down, get a support here, and then trying to break up again at this point here. So I'm just waiting for this confirmation and then another breakout here on this one here. So that looks good for me at the moment. Hopefully we don't lose this zone here. Filecoin, I have on a 12 hour here at this point. That worked also quite well here. So a long signal here, buy here, sell, and you just wait here. Here was another buy signal. I didn't enter this because it just, went on resistance here, came all the way down here. There's a buy signal. I'm just waiting for another long signal here at this point, but it is also quite low. It's in a discount area here. We would love to buy some more here, but there's also worst case scenario that we might come down here below the $4 here. So I'm just keeping an eye on this zone now and on this zone to buy in and just hold it for a while here for a trade. Quant, yeah, Quant is also a big headache for me at the moment, but even that is just holding at the moment this zone here quite well. It's also in a discount, and we had a big correction down here as well, all the way from 164 all the way to 99 now. So that's a big move as well here, and I like Quant a lot, and I would love to see this go higher here. And I'm just also waiting now for some kind of confirmation that we getting a bounce here. The worst case is even that we get lower here and around $90 here. That will be a beautiful buy opportunity for me to get into this zone here, and hopefully we just start moving up from this zone here. Okay, RSR as well here at this point had some confirmation already on the 1 hour. I'm playing the 1 hour here on this one. There was a sell signal here. There's a buy signal at the moment here. So I'm just waiting for another long position here, signal at this point. So we might just go something like this, and then maybe at this point we're getting a long signal similar to this here, as you can see, and then I'm gonna buy in here and trade this here. Because I like RSR a lot, but for now it's just for trading and holding, because I don't have so much time to do leverage trading at this point. So I'm just gonna buy spot in and just hold it for a while, for 10% profit or something like that. Okay. Yeah, that's it for all. My update, my view, and how I see things, and hopefully it helps you to see another view at this point. And yeah, wishing you a nice day. See you soon. Bye.